Hello, the purpose of this example is to explain how to use the patterns window that is in Quick Pallet Maker. This is the window in which we will calculate pallet patterns from boxes. So the first step is to open a new data sheet with patterns. Okay. You will see we have three tables here. The top table where we can drop the boxes or copy and paste them. The center one where we will select the boxes to calculate. We also have a menu where we pick the pallet type, and we have the results. The pallet types will come from the standard cases and pallets window in which that we have determined before. We have a list of pallets and those are the ones that we can pick from. We can also drag items from the SKU window. So we will first calculate some patterns here by copying and pasting from a spreadsheet. We go to the spreadsheet, we just select three boxes here, copy them, and paste them into the window. Okay. We have these three boxes. We can select them and drag them. And here we can determine whether we can place them on its length, width, or just right side up. So now we will calculate all three in Euro pallet. So we go to Tools, we calculate, and we get 9 pallets or more because we have a lengthwise pallet, transversal, and then we have optimized pallets depending on the product. So for instance, for this box code 1, CA001, we have all these pallets. Then for this other BP001, we have all the pallets. And in the yellow boxes, we also have different pallets. So if we wanted to keep one of these layers, we can just save it. Export palette file, and we save it. Another palette file. And this palette file can be imported by loading input data. And we can see later the configuration, including the boxes. Okay, if we wanted to then edit this palette and make it taller, we just go to the layer editor and we will copy, we change the view, and we will copy, we should put for show full palette, then we will copy the selected layer, and then we have all the top. You go OK, and now we have a full palette. We can also calculate layers or patterns by dragging the items from a SKU table. We go to the SKU table that is in the standard cases and pallets window, and select as many as we want and drag them to the window. And here we can do the same, drag them to this other window, and we can just calculate. Thank you.